today I want to show you chords. A chord, it means that we have more than two sounds together. So instead of playing one sound, we're gonna have three sounds in the same time.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And we can create songs from every note. Okay? So for example, if we have the C position from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, we are gonna have the first one, the third one, and the fifth one.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The first note, the third note, and the fifth note. And coincidentally, this is also our fingers. First, third, and fifth, yeah?
Okay.
We are gonna press it in the same time. So, before you try it, I want to show you that we have chords that are major chords and chords that are minor chords. Yeah? So you can see the difference, how it sounds.
Yeah.
Very bright and sunny, yeah? And joyful, and then sad, right? Okay, so I want you to try and form a chord from C, okay? You try by yourself. Yes, very nice. And try to press them all at the same time. Yes. Very nice. Now, let's try and create a song with these chords, yeah? We're gonna go for each beat, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, now we are gonna try and create a song together.
Okay.
I'm gonna play this hand, and you're gonna keep the right hand with the same chord.
Okay.
So I'm gonna count to 4, and then we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. See how good it sounds?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to create a chord from the note F. Very nice. And try to do it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Very nice. 4. And then let's create a song from the note G. Sorry, not a song, a chord from the note G. Yes. And then let's go back to C. Okay, now we will try and connect everything, okay?
Okay.
So we are gonna have 4 times C, maybe we can double it, then 4 times F, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, C.
In one hand.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, going to F. Where is F? Yes. You find the position and then you press them. 1,
No.
yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going to G. Yes.
Now?
Then going to G.
G.
Yes, good. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now going back to C.
C.
Where is C position,
C.
Lara? Here we go. So what we've done now is called a chord progression. Yeah? I want you to do it one more time, and we are gonna add the left hand. First time, I'm gonna play the left hand, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to F. G, 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 G is here. And back to C.
C.
Where is it? C.
C.
Find it, find it, find it. No, it's
C.
not there. More in the left side of the two blank keys. Exactly, you found it. And amazing. Okay, we need to do it again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and going to F. Going to G. And C. And okay, so the chords, these are the chords, and this is called the chord progression. Chords are very, very important because all the music is based on chords and harmony. The chords are the ones who create the harmony of the music and the harmony of the melodies. Yeah? So any song that you have melody of the song and you have the harmony of the song, which are the chords. Okay?
Okay.
And this is what we did today are the chords. All right?
All right.
And this specific progression, why I wanted to show it to you, because it's so familiar and it's used so widely all the time.
But it's hard somehow.
Of course it's hard because you have to press each finger, yeah, in the same time, and you have to after that to add also the left hand. So yeah. But you are doing a great job, by the way.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay, that's it. We are done for today. These are the chords. This is the end of our 7th session for the piano CASIO series.